Moving a surface-mounted multi-gang or multi-switch electrical box can be daunting, so here's how you go about doing that. First, ensure that the power is off at the junction box and unscrew the switches from the box. Observe as our electrician Helio meticulously labels each pairing of electrical wire, or Romex. Using colored tape and numbering the wires with a Sharpie, he will save a lot of work on the back end by being organized now. In your attic or exterior of your home, it's where the junction box is housing those wires. In our case, the Romex is drilled and fed directly through the top plate or header of this wall. Simply pull those loose wires through the top plate. We need to now move our junction boxes to the edge of the ceiling. Okay, now that we're on the edge, we can reinstall the conduit or metal pipe housing for the Romex wire back to the junction box and reinstall the surface-mounted electrical box. Check for level and mark where your anchored screws will go. Feed the wiring down the corresponding conduit. To make it easier to feed, tape the wires together using electrical tape. Remember how we labeled each wire? Here's why. Start by restripping the wires using strippers. The correct gauge of wire is labeled on the wire strippers. In this case, it's Cat 12 gauge Romex wire, building code for residential outlets and switches. Notice the labeled switches. We can now simply match the wires to its corresponding light switch. And we're done. For more videos, go to bestonlinecabinets.com.